Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here again with another original design. This is another word of the day for you. This is the Kujali knot. That's the Swahili word for caring. So there's your word for the day. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. Both ties, I'm using 2 ties, and it's at the belt line as usual. Same spot. I'm using a skinny tie and a pretty fat tie today, as you can see the difference. So just basically you just want a contrast here, a clear contrast. So a big and a small tie. So we're going to put both across the top like this, and then come up and over. So that secures it. So then what we're going to do is we're going to put the top tie back like that. Fold this one in half. We're going to come around like this. We're going to come down like this. Okay. I'm going to come over here like this. Bring this one back over. We're going to fold it in half like this. Come down like this. So we have this so far. So I'm going to take the bottom tie. I'm going to come down, fold it in half like this. Fold it in half. Come around like this. Still fold it in half, come around like this. And then we're going to do that one more time, fold it down like this. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this outer loop here, and it's still folded in half, and I'm going to bring it through there. It actually unfolded here, and I actually like that better. But you fold it in half as you go up here, and it unfolded, so I'll leave it as such. So then what we're going to do here is we're going to come across like this. Fold it in half, we'll come across like that. Then we'll come down, fold it in half again, we'll come across all of that right there. Same thing on this side, we're going to fold it in half and put it through here. And I'm going to make sure it unfolds. And this one, I'm going to put it underneath this top loop here to secure it. I'm going to put this collar down. So again, if you want to see the picture of this knot on my Instagram, go to SimmonsEssentials to see the picture of this knot. Also go check out my other Instagram and YouTube channel, Stylish Leadership, for other content. So again, own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully and wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.